Welcome back to HS Auto. Today's video takes a closer look at the HAL Tejas Mk2, one of India's most anticipated fighter aircraft developments for 2025. A major leap from the Mk1A. The Tejas Mk2 represents a significant evolution of the Tejas platform. With a longer fuselage, higher payload capacity, and improved aerodynamics, it has been engineered to close capability gaps and match modern combat requirements. The aircraft incorporates lessons learned from the Mk1 and Mk1A while introducing a broader mission envelope: power, range, and performance. At the heart of the Mk2 is a more powerful engine that offers better thrust, allowing for greater agility and higher takeoff weight. The increased internal fuel capacity and ability to carry auxiliary tanks extend its operational range considerably. These enhancements make the Mk2 well-suited for both air superiority and precision strike roles. Next-gen avionics and weapons. The fighter is equipped with advanced avionics, including an upgraded AESA radar, modern electronic warfare systems, and sensor fusion capabilities. It supports an expanded weapons suite ranging from beyond visual range missiles to smart precision-guided munitions, ensuring strong performance across diverse mission scenarios. Designed for future conflicts. The Mk2 has been crafted with future battlefields in mind. Its open architecture allows for rapid upgrades, while its stealth-optimized design features reduce radar signature. The combination of agility, advanced systems, and multi-role flexibility positions it as a competitive 4.5 generation platform on the global stage. India's expanding aerospace ambition. As HAL moves closer toward flight trials and eventual production, the Tejas Mk2 stands as a symbol of India's growing aerospace capability. It reflects the country's push for greater self-reliance and its commitment to developing world-class defense technologies. Closing thoughts. The HAL